bro. Love you, Sachin.
Yeah. I would
Yeah,
like to
yeah,
say
go ahead.
that should we have to tap ourselves? That is, you have done very good work.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay, my next question is about that. What is the secrets of your 100K LinkedIn connections? You
It's
mentioned in
10K,
videos.
10K, 10K,
Sorry,
10,000.
sorry,
It's
10K,
okay, so
10K.
then. So yeah, Bhushan. Again, it again falls back to the Rahul Bhatnagar mentorship. He
Okay,
telling like there's a session, there's a webinar, like there's a session of Rahul Bhatnagar who like he tells that how to master all these social platforms. So I
okay,
being into the job, I need to create base for me, and
okay.
how to create base because we all look for that opportunity of getting some new job. Suppose if you are stuck and
Hmm.
if it happens that organization lays you off, then what is the base you have created? How will
Okay.
people give job for you? So
Hmm.
that was in my mind. So then what I did, like I started sending connections to each and everyone in LinkedIn, sending them the connection, and I was doing it on regular basis. Like from past 10 months, I was sending connections on regular basis, and once the connection was accepted, I was sending them a personal message of saying thank you. And
Okay.
once you start doing this, like once you have created this base for yourself, and if you're posting anything on LinkedIn, you will get
Hmm.
some views. Now, suppose if you have 10,000 connections, and if you're posting, like if you want a job, if you're searching for a job, and if you post that in LinkedIn, you will get one reply for sure.
Yes.
That is how you are creating the opportunity for yourself. So
Okay.
having more connections will put you in the place where you create more opportunities for yourself. So that's the
Okay.
thing.
Okay, brother. Now, so moving towards your YouTube journey, tell us
Yeah.
about what is the inspiration behind starting YouTube channel and how you achieved your 500 milestone.
Uh, Thanks for that question. Like recently, I got that 500 subscribers, and I'm really happy for it. And I will tell you, like I'm gonna make a video on how I got my 500 subscribers. So
Okay.
Bhushan, see, like doing something like this phase where we all are dealing with this pandemic, and you are in the home. You should utilize all your
Yeah.
time. You should put all your things in all your things which you're doing into valuable. And
Yeah.
with that intention, I started my YouTube channel, and I had a goal that by July end I will be creating 100 videos, and I will get 500 subscribers. And how I got
Okay.
my 500 subscriber is it's like all the connections which I have in LinkedIn, in Facebook. I used to tell them please go. I used to share them link personally. I used to tell them
Okay.
please watch. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button. If you don't like,
Okay.
then don't hit the subscribe button. But all
Wow.
the videos, all the videos which I had, yes, all the videos which I had, Bhushan, like it all had
Yeah.
a value. It all had strategy. I
Okay.
was only thinking about that what is there for my people. So only that
Okay.
thing I had in my mind, and I started creating videos, and I
Yeah.
started posting on daily basis. I didn't miss a single day in past 2 months. So like on daily, you can see that from past 2 months, regularly there is
Yeah.
one or the other video on YouTube,
Yeah.
and that is how I
Yes.
got 100 videos, and I got 500 subscribers also.
Okay. With the anyone with the persistence, consistence can achieve this goal, right? They just need to be
Right,
consistent.
exactly. Agreed.
Uh,
100%. 100%. Consistency. If you're doing something with consist, so see, Bhushan, no, what we are doing here is no, like we want results. Like
yeah.
we do something so that we get results. But
Yeah.
what you are doing to get that result? What that action you are doing? What is that work you are doing? So consistency is the key. Whatever you are doing, do it on consistency basis. You will surely get the results.
Okay. That's great. Now
Hi,
one more.
hi, brother.
Yes. Yes.
There's
Hi
a
all
friend,
too.
close friend, Suhas, who
Okay.
has joined. Thank you so much for joining, brother.
Okay. Thank you very much. And I also ask you one question. What is the importance of the mentor in one's life? And we are both thankful to our mentor Rahul sir because due
Yes,
to
yes,
him
yes.
we get I mean to say get together and we are doing live this. And because of his mentorship we learned lot of things and still learning that.
Exactly,
So yeah.
exactly.
So tell me the what is the importance of mentor in our life?
So yeah, so now what happens now, Bhushan, once you are done with your engineering, once you are done with like whatever education you're doing, like BCom or bachelor
Okay.
degree, like once you're out from a bachelor degree, we really don't know what we need to do. We end up
Okay.
doing something with that limited knowledge. Like we have few friends, we see them what they are doing, and we also start doing the same thing. Like after
Okay.
completing my 12th, I had few friends who wanted to do engineering. I also went in the same direction, but I really didn't
Okay.
know that should I need to do engineering or what I need to do. So I had that limited
Okay.
knowledge, but I went
Okay.
with them and I completed my engineering also. But in this phase, if you have a mentor, if you have that one guide so that he can help you to find your way, then it's really very important, because having that mentor will eliminate all your mistakes. He will guide you. He will tell you which is the direction for you. He will tell you that no, you are good
Okay.
in this. You need to do this only. And if you have that
Okay.
mentorship, then you will be always doing the things which he guides. So like follow the mentor who has done something substantial in that, something substantial in your field. So approach those mentors
Okay.
and ask them what I need to do. And having that mentorship will take you in the path where you are doing something which really means for you. And that's the thing.
Okay.
So we eliminate mistakes. We eliminate all the mistakes once we have mentor in our life.
Okay. That's
And then
great.
we are literally grateful. Like I really want to thank Rahul Bhatnagar. Whatever I am here, whatever I'm speaking, whatever it is, it's all because of Rahul Bhatnagar. And I really he's my true inspiration, brother.
Yes, yes. We are very thankful to our mentor Rahul sir, and we are
Yeah.
also thankful to their all the team who are working constantly. I mean to say 24/7.
Right, right,
Yeah,
right.
and yes. So now moving toward the next section of our interview, that is called heart to heart segment. In that
Yeah,
segment, I ask some questions regarding about your personal life.
yeah.
So my first question is that who is your greatest inspiration and why?
Rahul Bhatnagar is my greatest inspiration after my mom, dad, uncle, and Sumo. So after four
Okay,
people,
yeah,
the real inspiration is Rahul Bhatnagar.
okay.
I really adore him. He's an idol for me, an inspirational idol for me. He's the one. Rahul Bhatnagar is the one.
I want to ask, and why?
Why? So all like everything happening in my life, whatever I'm doing all because of his mentorship, all because of his
Okay,
guidance, and whatever I'm doing, whatever I'm up to now, it's just because of Rahul Bhatnagar and no one else. He had
okay,
given that energy to me. He said that like all his videos, please watch the videos, please start posting the content. He telling that, and
okay,
I putting my work is all about. So because of
okay,
him and because of what he has taught, because of his guidance, because of his mentorship, I am all about. So he's true
okay,
inspiration for me.
okay. So pushing you is the main important thing that he's pushing
Yes,
you
yes,
still. Yeah.
yes.
Okay, great. So my next question is about that. Do you believe in a law of attraction with action?
Law of attraction with action. So, see, Bhushan, what happened? What is law of attraction? Is like, see, you attracting something and
Okay,
making that things in reality, like changing your thoughts
okay,
into reality. Now, the law of attraction
okay,
can be positive. The law of attraction can be negative. What you are attracted to,
okay,
what is that one thing which you are attracted to, and you thinking about it, and then
okay,
putting that into action and then executing. So
okay,
just like for an example, law of attraction, like see, Rahul Bhatnagar started his first free training, that first
yeah,
free webinar. We got attracted. We have that positive mindset, like yeah, no, there is something
yeah,
valuable happening. Yeah, there is something positive happening in this. I need to
yeah,
do this. I need to get. I need to have awareness
yeah.
about this. I need to have that self awareness. I need to
Okay,
have that mindset of doing something. So
okay,
that is law of attraction. And now it can happen negative way also. Someone trying to influence you just by showing that I have this much money in my account. I have created so much money in my past
okay,
days, and you
okay,
seeing that figure and you getting that belief of you, no, he has done so much thing, he has got so much money, even I should do the same.
okay,
So this is law of attraction. Like you need to have that proper mindset of what you need to get attracted. You need to attract only those things which are valuable. Only
okay,
then you can do something big in your life. You can only do something better in your life, and which you will be happy for. So that's the key.
okay. And would you like to share any special experience about law of attraction?
But my example would be like I getting attracted to Rahul Bhatnagar, and
Okay,
creating videos and all. So he's my attraction. And yes, it falls into the
Okay.
question of you having law of attraction. Rahul Bhatnagar is the man. He's the man.
Okay, so my next question is that what is your message for the youth of the world?
So the message for youth of this world is like you need to chase what is your passion. You need to chase what you really want to happen. You need to chase what you really want to do. You need to chase what is your happiness. So chasing your
Okay.
purpose is all key. You need to chase all the youths. I want you to chase your purpose. See what is that you want to do. What is that you love. Figure it out. Find it out. Find it out. Have that self awareness in yourself. And
Okay.
once you got this awareness, you start doing something. So doing is always better. You need to do something, and always chase your purpose.
Okay.